Hi from our living room. This is Mom, and this is Meliz, and today we're making
Sisig Pizza.
So while we're waiting for our cutie baby pies to pre-bake for 8 minutes, we're gonna get started on our sisig. First step is to chop up your pork. It really doesn't matter how you do it. It can be a rough chop because what you want is to get them into tiny little pieces. Ooh, crunchy. It's time to build a pizza. Okay, so we're using Alfredo sauce as our base.
Yeah, but you can use any other sauce you'd like.
Let's go. But this shredded cheese reminds me of my bangs. Oh no.
Okay.
We should be And you're done, just kidding. Bake it again. Bake it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Moment of truth. Oh, wow. Isn't she lovely? Oh. Oh wow. Okay, well I think we're gonna keep eating our pizza.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you on our next Kitchen Chronicles, guys. Cheers.